Okay, so for those of you who want to make RPGs with RMVXA and have never done anything similar to this before, I'm just going to do a series of tutorials covering some of the very basics. So first of all, you want to install and load up the game. This is a project that I'm working on here. So once you've got your game loaded up, right click on the main project folder, click new map, and we're just going to call this tutorial map for now. Okay, so in here you've got very basic stuff like you've got the battle pack in case you're going to have battles on there. You can change the background music, background sound, which you can have, as you can see there, wind, river, rain, and what have you. Okay, so here's our tutorial map here. Now you've got three basic layers here. You've got your map layer, which allows you to paint onto the surface, so let's put some land on there. Then you've got several tabs for that, so that will place over the top of that in different layers. Then you've got your event layer here. So to create an event, just go onto the map screen here, double click on any of the squares on the grid, and now there's lots of things in here that you can have a play with as and when you see fit. Obviously you know what a switch is. Switches are basic on and off variables, so you can use a switch to determine say if you've already spoken to a character or something along those lines. Okay, so I'm just going to assign a graphic here. Let's use actor 1. Okay, this is where you input your event commands here, so just double click on an empty space, and for the purposes of this demonstration we're just going to use display text. Okay, now this is your text window. So this is what will be displayed when the player clicks on the character. So we're going to assign him a face, and we're going to say hello player. Now then, there's several different triggers you can use for an event like this. As it's a character event, you want to be able to go up to the character and click the action button to activate him. Alternatively, you can have player contact, which is useful for monsters. So the event starts up as soon as you touch it. You can have event contact, so another event hits this event. You can use auto run, which overrides any other events on the map. And you can have parallel process, so basically it will run alongside everything else, which is good for timers and things like that. So we're just going to stick with action button for now. Apply, OK, save the game, and click now. You'll want to stick a starting position there. Obviously, as this is already a project file, I've got the starting position somewhere else. So in order to play test your game, you just click this button here, or F12. It'll ask you to save, yes please, and it will load up our game. Okay, so this is our project start screen here. I'm just going to click begin journey for now. Begin journey. And here's our map. You have to use the fact the main character doesn't actually have a graphic set at the moment. So, but I know he's there, so I'm just going to go across one space, click enter, and there's our event. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it is that you want to have a look at this project that it is that I'm working on, we're actually on Kickstarter. So if you search Data Hacker or check my channel, there's a promo trailer in there. Check it out, see what you think, and I look forward to doing our next tutorial.